Okay, what I got going on today is I pulled up VIN key codes, cut 2 keys, made one a factory OEM key, or not OEM, but a OEM aftermarket mid-range, and then one chip key, SuperChip, Xhorse, I think it's an X whatever key, SuperChip, programmed. So they're both programmed to have the same ID. So basically he'll have 2 keys with the same ID, pre-cut and ready to go. I just have to go in, do an all keys lost, erase the keys in the system because he lost the keys, and start over, add a key. It'll only have to be one added key, and then I can just be done with the job right there. Keys are already cut. The key will be programmed. Both keys are identical when it comes to their signature and ID electronically, so they're both basically the same key. It's an exact duplicate. And I'll show you that by going to transponder clone. Okay, I don't have to clone, I can just read it. Okay, ID 46, 7BA is the last 3 digits of the ID. Okay, and then we will do a reread with the second key, reading, and then 7BA. So it's the same ID, basically. It's just a cloned key. So there we go. That's my trick and shortcut for getting down the road to an all keys lost job that you're, basically the second key was complimentary, just so he had a second key. So I did it as affordably as possible. These Xhorse clone chips are fine. They work good, so that's the process I've worked through and came up with. Hopefully the key cuts from AC Delco and GM are correct, and I should just be able to walk up, put the key in the ignition, and program the key, and it'll be a done deal. A very quick all keys lost with 2 keys added. Okay, that's it. That's my trick. That's my gig. I hope you're all doing wonderful. Have a good day.